Today I'm going to show you how to make coffee flapjack. You will need 200 grams of oats, 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup and 1 tablespoon of coffee. Firstly, line a deep baking tray with grease-proof paper. My tin is 28 centimetres by 18 centimetres. Then, over a low heat, mix together your butter, brown sugar and golden syrup. And stir until the butter has melted and it has all combined. Then add your coffee granules and mix. You want to mix for a couple of minutes to try and really combine those coffee granules into your mixture. Then add your oats and mix really well until your oats are really coated. Then put your mixture into your prepared baking tin and press into the sides, pressing down with the back of your spoon. Then you want to bake this in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 170 degrees fan assisted or 190 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes until the top is golden. Then simply slice into the size pieces that you want, and there you have it. That's how you make coffee flapjack.